Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to Biseoamz. First, let's get started by ensuring your Biseoamz device is fully charged and powered on. It's crucial that your phone is within a close proximity, ideally no more than 10 meters, to facilitate a stable connection. Next, navigate to your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. Finally, put your Biseoamz into pairing mode. This usually involves holding a button for a few seconds until an indicator light blinks rapidly. Once Bluetooth is active on your phone, open the Bluetooth settings menu and look for the option to scan for new devices. Your phone will then search for nearby discoverable devices. When Biseoamz appears in the list, tap on it to begin the pairing. Sometimes, a confirmation prompt or a simple passcode, like 0000, might appear on your screen. Just accept or enter the code to finalize the connection, usually within a few seconds. Encountering issues? Don't worry, it's often a quick fix. A simple restart of both your phone and the Biseoamz device can resolve many connection problems. Also, confirm that your Biseoamz isn't already paired with another phone or tablet, as it might only support one active connection at a time. If all else fails, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings, find Biseoamz, and select Forget Device before trying the pairing process from the beginning. To ensure a consistently smooth experience, always keep both your phone and Biseoamz sufficiently charged. A low battery on either device can lead to intermittent connections or complete disconnections. Try to maintain a clear line of sight between the two devices, avoiding thick walls or large metal objects that could interfere with the Bluetooth signal. Finally, periodically check the manufacturer's website for any available firmware updates for your Biseoamz, as these often include stability improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.